Angelo Santiago, number 2. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock violation.
Okay, 42-38 tayo. Third quarter, bula, violet. Ang una ko laging score na babanggitin.
Roy Santiago, number 2. 42-40. 2 points, bula.
42-14 na guys.
Foul of jersey number 6. SK Marasiga, but
Yun guys,
outbound.
namimili tayo ng mga cellphone. Pinapost natin yung mga phones na kailangan natin, branded model, tapos magpagawa ng cellphone, desktop, laptop, netbook, so gumagawa din po ako, ano. At huwag nyo kalimutang i-follow, i-like, i-subscribe ang aking personal account sa Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, Jackie Jeff B. Aranda, tapos yung panibagong Facebook page na Jackie Boy Livestream.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, ang aking idol ng Barangay Lali, kay Darrell Estrellado. Yes, number 2 by Darwin Santiago. Warning for technical for plumbing. Number 4. Okay. But
Deadlock 44.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Ragas, number 2. 46-44. Dalawa ka lamang ang bula.
Six minutes remaining for the third quarter.
Foul on number 4. Pushing foul. Roy Santiago, number 2. Symbol.
So guys, change favor na pala tayo. Hindi ko na video nyo ibang shoot nila. 46 Bula in violet, 49 San Isidro in pink. 5 minutes and 15, third quarter.
Ragas, number 2. 49-48. Foul. C. Number 6. Fourth person. He's out. Out of bounds. SK Marasiga, 3. 52-48. Lamang ang San Isidro. Basket count. Foul on. Yes,
51-54.
53. Yes, Purdue. Albert Santiago. Double dribble.